Good morning. Thanks for joining the session. So I'll be talking today on intelligent video analytics and how to move it to the next level. So that deserves a bit of a translation, I think, or interpretation. So before talking about the next level, I'll talk about what I perceive as the current level. And then we'll talk a bit about the next level, and most importantly, how much compute is needed in order to drive these applications and the innovation in this space, and how much AI capacity for compute is needed in that sense. And after that, we'll talk a bit about what Hailo can offer in that perspective. And we'll finalize and wrap it up with a simple example that demonstrates some of those statements. So I think when we talk about current level, I think there is an agreement today already that most analytics is based on AI. And when we talk about AI today, at least in deployment, the vast majority is basic object detection with some additional analytics attached to it that gives the more advanced insights. So of course, there are people that are taking it to a higher degree, and that's what I call the next level. We'll talk about that in a moment, but the vast majority is a plain vanilla pipeline of AI. And processing limits today, they pose certain decisions for the system integrators. Sometimes it's down selecting the number of streams that you can process in parallel. Sometimes it's decimating in time. Sometimes it's decimating in resolution or in the spatial domain. And that is, in most cases, due to the limitation of the compute power that is equipped for doing AI, or the usable power for doing AI in a certain deployment scenario. And in some cases, it's the quality of the application itself that you need to compromise, which leads to a certain deficiency in the output, which has to be handled either manually or just accept the high miss rates.